Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Shmile Bakes. Today, as you can see, the intro is a little bit different, and it's only because I'm only human trying to do my videos, baking, editing, everything, and I realized I didn't shoot an intro for the video you're about to see. So I said there's no better time than now. So here we are, guys. I'm very excited to do this cake with you. It's a 6-inch layer cake. It's gonna be confetti batter, and it's gonna be, of course, Swiss buttercream. But in this case, I'm really excited because I'm trying something, a style that I never done before, and that is, I think it's called like palette style or just drop style. But it's basically you're gonna go ahead and add a little dollop or a little point of buttercream, and you're gonna use your offset spatula or any palette spatulas you might have, because I think they have a set on Amazon that you get like five different types of this type of spatula, and you use it to paint. But in this case, we're gonna paint on a cake. I really wanted to try this because I wanted to use these specific colors, which is black, purple, and 2 tones of like blue. I think that's one of my favorite combinations, so I was like, let's try this with those colors on this cake. So that's what you're about to see. I hope you like this video. I am very thrilled for you to watch it. It's something completely new, and oh my god, my kitties. Also, remember, if you like this video, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section. And if you want any of the recipe or my buttercream recipe or anything, the details that you might want to know, it's probably gonna be down on the box below. That's all my information. Remember, you can follow me on social media, Shmile Bakes. Also, if you recreate this style, feel free to tag me. I would love to see your creations. But anyhow, I'm actually about to dive in of that cake. Did you just, you're gonna see. I am gonna eat a slice while I record, and after that I will edit this video. So with that being said, guys, let's get right to it. Here we go, guys. Assembling our cake. 4 layers of confetti with the vanilla Swiss buttercream. I'm carving the cake for straight edges, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the crumb coat and our final layer. As usual, for my final layer, I have a bowl of hot water. Always helps me to get that straight and beautiful sharp edge. Now, with our colors, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 1 scoop per color, and I'm gonna use, in this case, a Mary color for my purple and the blue, and the sugar art for my black. I want to give you a tip when you use gel colorants. Usually when I started playing with them, I felt really frustrated, like I needed to put half the bottle to reach the color that I wanted. However, I realized that you can pop that buttercream 5 seconds in the microwave and then go back to it, give it a good whisk, and then you're gonna see the color getting deeper and deeper. So start with a little bit, mix, and pop it in the microwave 5 seconds, go back, whisk, and I promise you, you're gonna see a change in these colors. Once you have reached the color that you like, as you can see, the purple and the blue are a little bit deeper, you're gonna grab this and you are gonna go ahead and put them in a pastry bag, making sure everything is nice and tight in the pastry bag. This will basically make your adventure easier. Also, a little tip, if you want to find out what's that black color that I use, it's from a company called the Sugar Art. I will link it down below. I love that company. It has wonderful colors for chocolate, for buttercream, and also has a little bit of like edible glitter. So go check that out and show some love. Now we're gonna start here with our cake, and the whole point here is that you're gonna have to do a little drop of color. I don't know if you were able to see that. I put a little bit of a bowl of black, and then I grab my offset spatula and drag it out the direction that I want it. In this case, I'm gonna go like to a side and up. You're gonna repeat this process basically with all your colors. In this case, since my first color is black, because for me it's like the base, I started with that. I did all the little dots or points that I wanted, and then I moved to the next color and moved to the next color. This is the best way to do it, guys. I did it before where I just grabbed my offset and grab a little bit of the colored buttercream and put it on the cake, and honestly, it was a freaking mess. I do not advise you to do that. go ahead and put this in a pastry bag. Follow this along because believe me, the cake that I did the first time was just terrible. Once you start getting the hang of it, you're gonna start going faster and faster, and to each color you can go back to it, stop as many times as you like. This whole point is right now to have fun and find out basically how do you want this cake to look. Sometimes you have an idea in your mind and it turns out to be completely different. So just have fun with it, do as many drops as you want, drag, come back, fill a spot, whatever you need to. And if you feel your buttercream is getting too soft, don't get scared to just pop the cake a little bit in the freezer or in the fridge for 5 minutes and go back to it. Even if the pastry bag might be also a little bit too soft, you can put it back 5 minutes on the fridge and go back to it. Now in this case, just to give it a little bit of a pop to my cake, I went ahead and had some sprinkles from Sprinkle Pop, and I also grabbed my 3 colors and did a half crown on top, just to give it, something new, something different on top. I went ahead and put sprinkles on the crown and also little sprinkle balls between each color on the the little palette, on the little drawing or painting that we did. And honestly, it really helped out. I feel like it gave it a different look, just made it stand out a little bit more. Continue as much as you need to, and stop until you feel like it's a beautiful cake. Okay guys, here it is, our final result. Look at this. It came out so nice. This is the first time I tried that technique, so I was really excited to do this. I decided to go with 4 colors, which actually is my favorite color combination. And at the end I put them all together with an open star tip, and I did a half a crown and a little dollop in the middle. I ended up with the sprinkles, as you can see. I can't wait to cut it. I hope you guys like this and feel a little bit inspired to do something like this or experiment with whatever colors you want. This was so much fun. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see something new or something specific that you might want me to try or do, please leave a comment down below. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and remember, you can find me on social media on Shmile Bakes. And other than that, well, happy baking!